Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anmol Bhargav, and today I'm going to revise with you a few important concepts from the chapter Reproduction in Organisms. So, the first concept that you need to know here is that of lifespan. So what is a lifespan? What is the definition of lifespan? It is the period from birth to natural death. Lifespan is basically कोई organism कितना survive कर पाता है, कितना जी पाता है, average, provided natural death has occurred. So natural is sort of a key word here, okay? Not just birth to death, because it should not be accidental death, it should be natural death. So you need to remember a few lifespans of a few organisms which NCERT has given, which is number 1, butterfly. बटरफ्लाई का लाइफ स्पैन इज नॉट मच, हाँ समझता ही है वो, तो छोटी सी बटरफ्लाई 1 to 2 weeks. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज क्रो. Crow lives for about 15 years. Again, not much. Then, third is crocodile. Crocodile का लाइफ स्पैन इज हाउ मच? 60 years. बड़े बड़े क्रोकोडाइल 60 साल के बुढ़ों में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव पैरट. सरप्राइजिंगली very big lifespan of parrot, 140 years. It's kind of surprising. Then next is tortoise. Again, tortoise are ancient creatures who live very long. So tortoise का lifespan is about 100 to 150 years. Okay, that's a lot. So these are a few lifespans that you should know. They're given in the book. They might be asked as MCQs. The next concept that you need to remember here is that the lifespan does not correlate with the size of the organism, because as you know, crow and parrots are quite similar in size, but their lifespan differs hugely. Crow का 15 years था, parrot का 140 years था. Okay, again similarly your NCERT has given the example of a mango tree and a peepal tree. So mango tree has a much shorter lifespan as compared to a peepal tree. बड़ी बड़ी उसकी डालियाँ होती है peepal की. It's a tree with a very long lifespan. Okay. Then another important line from your NCERT, that it says that no individual is immortal. No individual is immortal except single-celled organisms. So single-celled organisms are immortal. They don't die, right? They don't die. So that's the third thing that you need to remember.